So gone are the days of where the architects used to find ceilings that used to be painted. Nowadays, with the advent of technology, as a studio, we are experimenting a lot of different products that are coming along. And one of the very innovative products that I particularly have recently used, is a Connex series of interlocking ceilings provided by VOX. One of the beauties of this particular product is that I am able to apply it irrespective of the shape and the size of the ceiling. So we as architects are able to imagine storing ceilings of almost any proportion with a product like that. VOX Connex comes in 7 different shades and is highly operationally less expensive than other products of similar style. And one of the projects is the rehabilitation of Shri Goindwal Sahib project. In that project, we are applying this particular product of interlocking tiles with wooden shades on the ambulatory, that's the passageway of the Langar halls. And since it is a time-bound project, we wanted to deliver something that was going to be known for ages to come. As a studio at Space 5, one of the missions that I often have is that we are intermixing the heritage that we have along with the innovative technologies of the future. And products like that, especially of VOX and the Connex series that they have launched, but that help us chase that future, that sustainability future that we are so forward looking at into.